To work with costumes, we need to scroll down in the navigation to the costume section. First thing we might want to do is add outfits for current characters in the script breakdown. If we go to scenes, we'll be able to select the one that we want to do the breakdown for, and in this case, that'll be scene 3. When we open Tag the Screenplay, we'll be able to start tagging by highlighting the items mentioned in the script. For example, we have this party suit. Let's keep the type of item as a costume and assign it to Haley. We can see that the item is already linked to a costume outfit that we previously have in our database. We can also choose to tag all mentions of the party suit throughout the script. And let's go ahead and add that. So we can already see that the item will appear on the right-hand column, and we'll be able to directly access its page from here. In here, we can see all the costume pieces that make up this party suit. So we have a black suit, blue jeans, and brown leather shoes that make up the character outfit. Going back to the costume section, we'll have an overview of all the characters that will appear in the shoot, and we'll be able to access any one of them. For example, here we have Haley, the character we assigned the party suit to. And just as we assigned an outfit for her for scene 3, we can do that for any other scene. At the moment, scene 2 doesn't have a character outfit, but we can simply add one here, like so. If we want to see a list of all the outfits we've created, we'll always have them under the character outfits. But not to get confused with the costume section, which will refer to an item of clothing rather than a whole outfit. So an outfit will refer to pieces of costumes that make up a whole character outfit. And like the previous section, we can enter any one of the outfits to add suggestions, see its day out of days, and of course, export anything that we need from the character outfits via the export function. We have various PDF options to choose from, as well as different file formats like Excel or CSV. In the end, all the costumes that we'll use on this shoot will automatically get stored in the company costumes database, which we can enter from the company area. And we'll get an overview of all the costumes that we've ever created or used in our shoots, and these items can be used in any other projects as well. And that was a look at managing costumes and character outfits in Yamdu. We'll see you in the next tutorial.